Alright, here it is without the light kit. Exactly how I got it from Jack Miner. It originally did have the 3 light fitter painted black, genuine Hunter, but I asked for the cap since I have a gloss black spotlight on it. It uses the American-made oil bath motor with the 4.5 blade rotor, 3-speed pull chain controlled by speed coils, and it's electrically reversible. So I'll go ahead and show you the close-ups. It's got the included walnut blades on reversible to oak, 2.5-inch downrod, manufactured on February 14, 2002, made from the production line of 130. We're going to start off with the 4-blade configuration. We'll begin the fan on low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for medium. Now here's high. With most originals, it puts out tons of air using the American-made oil bath motor. A very true airflow killer right there. We'll go ahead and shut it off. We'll do spin down. I'm recording this today because I'm about to change the blade configuration from 4 to 5. Obviously, 4 does move a lot more than 5. Obviously, I'll explain why when we get to the 5-blade configuration video. The main reason why I'm putting the 5th blade on is because it's more cleaner in a circle than it is as a square with 4 blades. But still, 5 blades is not going to beat 4 any day. It is April 10th, 11:03 a.m. And this is the perfect time for me to record this video since my big brother is at home and my little brother's not here. So I'll go ahead and reverse it and start off low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for medium. Now here's high. For some reason, it wobbles more in reverse than downdraft. I don't know why it wobbles in reverse, but not on downdraft. It's about for high, and I'll go ahead and shut off with the spin down. I don't know why the fan wobbles like that in reverse. It doesn't downdraft. So it's quite weird. I put the 4-blade configuration first because I want to film with 4 blades first and do it with 5. And that's about it with the 4-blade configuration. Now I'll go ahead and demonstrate it with 5 blades. Alright, now here it is with the 5-blade configuration. The blade arms, downrod, and switch housing was scratched, so I had to repaint it. Also got one of the blades tightened down. We'll go ahead and demonstrate this fan starting off with low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for medium, now here's high. With 5 blades, it still moves tons of air, but then again, 4 blades actually move more air than 5 for a real reason. 1 is less motor drag, 2, more blade spacing, 3, energy efficiency, and 4, which is obvious, better airflow, if I haven't said that yet. I kind of lose my mind sometimes. Sorry about that. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off, we'll do spin down. While I was putting the 5th blade on, trying to turn it on in downdraft, I was like questioning myself, is this fan dead or something? Because the motor was humming. I was looking at the wire connections, if it was good or not. And then I flipped the fan over to updraft, and then boom, it worked by magic. I don't know how it was like, oh, it makes a buzzing noise, then I reverse it, and then it works on both directions. I thought it was gonna be dead, and I would be really sad because this is the fan I've been wanting to put up in the living room for a while. If it weren't for the ding on one of the oak blades, I would have shown the oak side facing down. Thank God it's still working, because if it didn't, I would be really disappointed. I don't know why Hunter chose to add rubber grommets to the blades, because it's not going to do any crap. It just makes it sag. So I had to tighten up one of the blades to get the least amount of wobble as I can get. But I will say that with 5 blades on the 2.0 amp originals, it could outperform the current day 1 amp Chinese made originals, the earlier overseas originals, the 1.1, 2.5, and the 1.9 amp originals. I will say that. But still, 4 blades is still going to win over 5. So we'll go ahead and reverse it. We'll start off with low. That's about for low. Here's medium. That's about for medium. Now here's high. I'll go ahead and shut it off. We'll do spin down. So I've scrolled through one of Brian Hicks's videos, and a comment said that the U.S. production plant would announce that it would be closing on January 3rd, 2002. It was on the Antique Brass Hunter original video, and that's how I found that comment. And that's what Brian Hicks said. So 2002 is definitely the last year for the American-made originals. The early 2002, they're out there, but not too common to find an early 2002 American-made original, because by 2002, after all these American-made ones snuck out, they went overseas. So that's about it with the 52-inch Hunter original in flat black without the light kit. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.